Hello from me, Lazarus. We continue with the next lesson of the paid course on working with databases in Lazarus IDE. Last time we looked at the first lesson, when we ourselves created an empty database in Lazarus IDE, and now we will look at the second lesson, when we will create a blank database with SQLite Studio. You can simply copy SQLite Studio as text and paste it into a search engine. It will come up as the first result. Here is their website sqlitestudio.pl. Now here in the PDF file I wrote to press the download button, but that was like that for the previous version. Right now, if we click download, we're going to have to download an installer file, and because right now I don't want to install, I'm going to go in here, and actually you can do it if you want, that is, if you don't mind, you can just click download for Windows and install it like any other program. Now, as I said, in this case I'm going to go to the page here, download, and I'm going to download this file, which is in zip format, and it's for me. And down here there's also for Windows 32-bit, and for Mac, for Linux. I click here and download it, and then I unzip it. I'm not going to do that now. You've worked with files, and when we open our program this window opens. Now we go to the database menu and select Add Database. Here we have data, we leave it SQLite 3. Now here we need to write the name of the file and directory, where we will create the database. We start with the directory. I'll create it on drive H, we write H2 dots, a right slash, and there I created a folder new, and a right slash, and now we write the name of the database. In this case, I will name it new55, write it here, and then write .db, the file extension, and click OK, and we see that our database has been created. Now we need to either right-click on it, or here on the button above. Connection to database, and we see that we have connected, we have an empty database created. The next step is to click on a table and with the right click to select, and here we have to write the name, create the columns of the table with the fields and all data, still it is empty, and also then I will show, and one way, when the creation is much faster with SQL script, but this is anyway the subject of the paid lesson, and with the free lesson we're done here. Best regards.